This is just a quick video showing some of the home office automations that I've set up. Once you walk in, everything turns on automatically. Even the Back to the Future wall clock lights up. This is all controlled by the motion sensor, or you can manually control it using this IKEA Zigbee switch. These switches are meant for IKEA light bulbs, but through Home Assistant you can get them to run all kinds of automations. Most of the devices in my office are Zigbee. You can see I've got the button, the light, the sensor, and then some sockets. These are the automations that I have set up in Home Assistant. Turn on the office computer when occupied. Turn on the office phone charger in the morning. Turn off the charger if my battery is above 90%. This is the Back to the Future wall clock. I only want that to turn on when it's below a certain light level. The rest are really just about turning stuff off in the office when it's not occupied. Well, that's my home office automation setup. Thanks for watching.